Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. The stocks to watch this week is still based upon the strong sectors continuing to work, as well as a very prominent pattern, the fry pan bottom pattern. Whoops. As we can see, the Dow did not trade up at all on Friday. It was trading down, putting in a sideways mode. This kind of produces evidence, though, that the NASDAQ, something is going on here. The NASDAQ is continuing its uptrend, staying above the T line, but even more specific, what is going on? The Russell 2000 stocks have been acting very strong, leading this market. So right now, we're still buying electric vehicle stocks, the biotechs, but the patterns right now that are really working are the fry pan bottoms. So BNGO is one of the biotechs that has had a very strong breakout, and XL is one of the electric vehicle stocks that we're starting to buy because of this best friend gap up in the off the 34 through the T line, kind of producing a little scoop type pattern, providing the opportunity that it could have anywhere from a 25 to 85% upside potential in a very short time frame. The biggie, like NIO, is recommended again because you can see the classic pattern, a fry pan bottom followed by a J-hook pattern. So this one can still be bought, making the electric vehicles, whether you are trading short term or long term, still attractive in both time frames. This was expected results coming out of J-hook patterns. Now we have a new service that we're setting up, which is very simple. We call it RARE, Research Analysis Reverse Engineering. And essentially all it is we're looking for situations where patterns are breaking out and then just going back and researching why those patterns are breaking out. This is mostly directed toward the electric vehicle sector, which is improving so rapidly with technology that anytime somebody comes out with a new technological improvement, it's making that stock very strong. The RARE program just allows us to identify when something like that may be happening so we can go back and research what the news was that created that new strong price move. So as we can see, the fry pan bottom, no matter what sector it's in, GameStop, coming out of this fry pan bottom, you can see the magnitude of this move. I think it's nearly, it's over, basically quadrupled over the last week and a half. But stocks that are in the electric vehicle sector, we were identifying them as they were coming out of their fry pan bottom breakouts, producing huge gains. And there's numerous of them right now. And this is basically due to one simple factor, that human or investor sentiment works the same way time after time, putting you in positions where you can see where the investor sentiment is building up to either news or, again, a breakout of resistance levels, creating very strong profitability. So this is just simple visual analysis using the candlestick patterns to tell us the exact times to start entering high profit trades. Dang, I don't know what's happening there. But right now, the small cap stocks are leading the way. Even though the big stocks, the Dow stocks, are sagging. This is probably the result of new stimulus package money going out to small companies to make sure they keep growing. So with that, we are using the RARE service to show which stocks are coming out the strongest with new technology or have new investor sentiment coming into them with the possibility of very strong price moves. So we're providing a free sample that right now you can come in and be a guest in our chat room for a week just to see what the logic is of candlestick analysis. Doesn't cost you anything, but I think you'll find that the logic behind candlestick analysis, no matter what type of trading system you're using, will greatly enhance the visual analysis of what's going on in a price move. So with that, we'll see everybody in the chat rooms.